Right, second video of this, the updated tile map in Python Arcade. So this is what I was doing before, those three lines. That would read my TMX file with these two layers, moon rock and moon bases, and put them into these two sprite lists here. We're not doing that anymore, so I'm going to delete that. Actually, I'm not. I'm just going to comment them out so that we can see the difference if we need to. So that's not what we do anymore. Now we seem to need to use this layer options thing, so where I specify for moonrock and bases that I use a spatial hash. Be quite honest, not 100% sure what's going on there. I'm going to kind of work it out later, but you should be able to kind of copy and paste that, making sure that the commas and the brackets all right. So that's that whole chunk there. And then we've basically got these same three lines but different. So instead of arcade.tilemap.readTMX, TMX is arcade.load_tilemap. Layer options equals layer options, so that's actually referring back to this, and scaling equals sprite scaling. That's my scaling that I've got up here. You can just put 0.5 in, it work just fine. But we've talked before about using constants, and that's a good thing. And then instead of doing tilemap.processLayer with sprite scaling here, we just do mymap.spritelist moonrock, mymap.spritelist bases. So that's just referring to the layer names in tiled. And that seems to work just fine. I'm a little bit concerned. I'm having some sluggishness with loading when I have large maps. I don't know if I need to investigate that. It can take like almost minutes to load, which is why I'm not actually playing it right now. I've got a quite large map. But I'll investigate that, but that should be enough to get you going for now. All right, enjoy.